Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log out of your OneDrive account using your browser. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not do it right now, it is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to log out. Well, it's quite easy. Use this tab to sign out of your Microsoft account. At the top right corner, right next to this question mark button, you will see your profile picture or simply Account Manager. Click on it right now. Then something like this will open up. As you can see, this right here is my profile, and do note that I can add a picture to my profile from right here. There are a few buttons like sign in with a different account as well, but right now, let's only look at how to sign out. At the top right corner of this tab, you will see a button like this that says sign out. Simply click on it. And guys, that's it. As you can see, I'm being logged out of my OneDrive account. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how we log out of OneDrive. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.